I'm guessing it doesn't feel like it's been a month since I got my last HackerBox, but I have another one. And I have a new letter opener. We'll call it that. It's a miniature replica of Sting from Lord of the Rings. Oh yeah, that worked great for open letters, or boxes in this case. Okay, let's see what I got today. Oh, it's a big board of LEDs. And, oh, an ESP32. Nyan cat. The Pop-Tart Rainbow cat. I'm guessing this hooks to that. Yeah, right there. Power. Okay. This thing so has my number. It would be nice if they included a piece of paper that had like the thing, but I'll go on the website and see what the details are for this later. Realtime. ESP32. And this is the Hub 75. Must be this bugger here. So, click an SD card reader. SD card. So this one is here. And then I have ESP32. It's there. And I don't know what this is here at all. I'm not framing it right. Sorry about that. A capacitor, a battery, a real-time clock. Oh, I bet you this is going to be building a clock. Okay, that would be cool. I like clocks. This is pretty cool, though. I'll probably give this to my daughter. She used to be into Nyan, Nyan. I can't know how to pronounce it, but it's still pretty cool. If she doesn't want it, I'll keep it. It's cool enough. And code injection. So yeah, I bet you this is building a real-time clock. I will do a build video. I need to start doing some build videos on these. And definitely plan to. So I will do that next.